Hello and welcome to the video lecture associated with the separation of operational information systems. We've mentioned this in previous video lectures. This will be the last time that we go over this again. So again, your operational system is your real-time business, current data. This is also called the system of record. This is where your transactions happen on a daily basis. This is what your operational staff uses to report off of because they need real-time information. Remember, if you're in the stock market, you don't have time to go looking at a data warehouse. You have to look at the trades that are going on as they happen. So that's your operational system. Your informational system is your system that supports decision making based on trends, historical points in times, and if your historical data is of high quality, should give you a predictive model for the future. So let's just take a quick look at the characteristics. So your primary purpose of an operational system is to run the business. Your informational system is to support managerial decision making. What type of data? The operational system is your current state of the business. That's what they call online transaction processing, or OLTP. The informational system is OLAP, online analytical processing, made up of point-in-time snapshots and predictions. Primary users, your operational system, are your clerks, your salespeople, your administrators. Your informational system is used by your managers, your business analysts, in some cases your customers, and in the list of managers we were talking about the board of your organization. The scope of an operational system is narrow. It's planned, and we're really talking about simple updates and queries. An informational system, because it's grabbing data from all manner of disparate systems, is broad. A lot of times there are ad hoc types of queries posed against informational systems. It's also fairly true of operational systems, but the informational systems run complex queries and analysis. And yes, we've learned some complex, but when we're talking about complex when it comes to an informational system, we're talking a completely different scale of complexity. The design goal of an operational system is performance, right? We just need people to not get slowed down when they are either asking for or inputting new data. An informational system, the design goal is ease and flexible access. We want the customers that are using our informational system, which again, pretty much the board of directors are our biggest concern. We want them not to be confronted with a complex system that's a pain to use. So how many people are using it, or what kind of volume of data, is being used. So it could be constant updates. If you're talking about Citibank and ATMs, you're talking about an operational system that is hammering out a lot of updates and queries. Informational systems, we're doing periodic batch updates, and our queries will require many, if not all, of the rows involved. So that is the end of my video lecture on, again, the difference between an operational system and your informational system.